Alright, let's dive into something that's both fascinating and a bit unnerving: how robot dogs and flying drones are reshaping the way law enforcement, specifically the Massachusetts State Police, handle high-stakes situations. What makes this really interesting is that it's not just about gadgets, it's about how technology is fundamentally changing the way we approach danger and decision-making. Personally, I think this is a game-changer, but it also raises some big questions about the future of policing and the role of machines in life-or-death scenarios. Here's the thing: imagine a standoff on a highway, like the one that happened on Interstate 495 in Lowell, Massachusetts. A pickup truck is involved in a deadly shooting, and the windows are so tinted that officers can't see inside. What do? Send in a robot dog named Spot to break through their window. Now, if you take a step back and think about it, this is a massive shift. Instead of risking a human life, they are risking a machine. In my opinion, this is where the future of law enforcement is headed, using technology to de-escalate and gather information without putting officers in harm's way. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Spot isn't just a glorified tool, it's a versatile machine. It can open doors, climb stairs, pick things up, and even look under beds. One thing that immediately stands out is how Trooper John Roscoe described it: it's difficult to kick over. That's not just a cool feature, it's a testament to how these machines are designed to withstand unpredictable environments. What many people don't realize is that these robots are built to handle situations that would be incredibly dangerous for humans, like navigating tight spaces or assessing threats in a standoff. Now, let's talk about the drones. The aerial drone unit can go room to room, providing real-time information to officers on the ground. What this really suggests is that technology is becoming the eyes and ears of law enforcement, giving them a tactical advantage without exposing anyone to unnecessary risk. Lieutenant Brian Mahoney put it perfectly: rather put this in, if we can, and risk losing this as opposed to putting a trooper initially in harm's way. That's a perspective that's hard to argue with. But it's not all smooth sailing. In 2024, the first Massachusetts State Police robot dog, Roscoe, was taken out of service after being shot during a standoff in Barnstable. A detail I find fascinating is how Roscoe described the incident: the person was able to flip Spot over again and shot Spot 3 times. This raises a deeper question: if these machines are so effective, why are they still vulnerable? Personally, I think it's a reminder that technology, no matter how advanced, isn't invincible. It's also a testament to the unpredictable nature of these situations. What makes this even more human is how officers relate to these machines. Roscoe joked about Spot looking at people, kind of funny, and even petted the robot. It's a small detail, but it shows how these tools are becoming part of the team. Even K9 Clue, a living bomb detection dog, has embraced the robot dogs as part of the crew. From my perspective, this blurs the line between machine and teammate, which is both heartwarming and thought-provoking. If you take a step back and think about it, this isn't just about robots and drones, it's about the evolution of policing. These technologies are saving lives, but they are also raising questions about accountability, ethics, and the future of human judgment in law enforcement. In my opinion, the real challenge isn't the technology itself, it's how we integrate it into a system that's already complex and often flawed. So, here's my closing thought: as we watch these robot dogs and drones become more prevalent, we need to ask ourselves, are we using them to replace human judgment, or are we using them to enhance it? What this really suggests is that the future of law enforcement isn't just about the tools we use, but about how we use them. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.